And right on top of it, missing numbers. Missing numbers. And the first one we'll talk about missing numbers in addition. In addition. And here would be an example of a missing number. Here is a missing number problem. 24 plus m equals 37. 24 plus what number equals 37? Now, how do you know how to find that answer? You can answer me, but I'll tell you how you know. You will hear me say this. I tell this to 7th graders and 8th graders still today, and I want you to put this in big letters here. Write this down. In order to do missing number problems, hashtag, comma, think of an easy problem to be your pattern. And that won't make any sense until I explain what that means to you. Write that down, and then you can put it in a little cloud like I do, because it's a very important thing. I love the cloud. Do a missing number problem. Think of an easy problem to be your pattern. I'll give you a chance to write that, and then we'll talk about it. And then you'll probably go, ooh, yeah, that makes sense. But only after I do that. So here is the deal with this. This is an addition problem. Okay? And if I ask Brant to give me a really easy addition problem, give me any addition problem that you know, one of the basic facts, math facts, addition problems.
3 plus 7.
3 plus 7, you know the answer is what?
10.
10. Okay, so this is my pattern problem. Here is what you need to think. And it's easy for addition, but it gets harder. That's why we do this. See here, I'm missing the middle digit here, this middle number. I don't know what it is. So I go to my pattern sort of problem there, and I think, if I were missing the middle, which is the 7, what do I do with 3, 10, and 3 to get 7? Carter?
Minus.
I subtract them, yes. So that will be the same thing, the same process I would do to this one. To find out what the letter M is, just like I subtracted 3 from 10 here, to find out what the letter M is, I do the same thing. I need to take the 24 away from the 37. So I take 37 and subtract 24 from it. 13 is going to be what the letter M would have to be. And that would be your answer. 13 equals M. Okay, when you think of an easy problem and think of the process that you do, and that gives you that. And again, it's not so hard with addition, okay, but it is whatever that. Another example might be this. What if I had n plus 6 equals 72?
Whoa.
Okay. What number when you add 6 to it is 72? And I'll tell you, I don't care if you can do these in your head. I don't want you to do them in your head, not yet. There'll be a time in your life when I want you to do everything you can in your head, but this is not one of them. You do the same thing. Think of an easy addition problem, which might be what? Carolyn? Give me any easy addition problem. 6 plus 4 is 10, right? Is that what you get there? Okay. See, I'm missing the first digit here, or first number. But if I was missing this 6, what would I do with 10 and 4 to get 6?
10 minus 4.
It's another subtraction problem. So that's the same thing I'm going to do here. 72 minus 6 is 66. So that's what the letter N would have to be. N would have to equal 66. 66 plus 6 will give me 72. Now they get a touch harder in that they'll give you a problem that looks like this. And this one's probably the hardest one you're gonna get. I might make this a little bit bigger. That's really big. Hold on a second.
Oh, jeez.
There it is. Okay, they might give you a problem that looks like this. This is probably the toughest one you'll find. 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus f. 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus f equals 30. Now, we don't really have an easy problem that goes along with this, so I'm just going to tell you what you're going to need to do. The first thing you need to do with this is put together the ones that you know, that they already tell you. What is 5 plus 7 plus 9? 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 9 is?
21.
21. So this all equals 21, and then you're at 21 plus what number equals 30?
1 yard.
And then you're to the point where you go, okay, let's think of an easy problem like 4 plus 1 is 5. If I'm missing the middle here, and I'm missing the middle here, what do I do with 5 and 4 to get 1? Subtract again. So 30 minus 21 is 9, and that's what the letter F is. F is going to equal 9. And again, with addition, it's always easy because it's always subtracting, but when we get to other types of problems, it's not always the same, and that's why we do the think of an easier / harder, whatever problem. Harder, sir?
And for second, you add 21 plus 9.
Right, and that would give you, if they asked you to check it, you would add 21 plus 9, and that would get you that 30 there. I'm putting a little bit smaller there. This is good.